Put the pan down. Put the pan down, Henry. You're spilling it. It's all right. Put some more in.
That's some put some more bubble mixture. Bye bye.
Why aren't you riding your bike, Tilly?
Hop off your bike. Beat you to the top. Make him second. If the losers came last. Of course they would.
Oh, if I ever want to see a struggle that mankind has made, I'm going to play this video. Neil Armstrong.
What are we doing?
Doing bingo.
Bingo! Bingo! What time is it?
Bingo time.
Bingo time. Yay. Right, let's go. Eyes down looking. First number. 1 and 5. 15.
Okay. I think I'm 15 here. We're not.
You not got number 15?
No. 5, 15.
1 and 5.
I'm 15.
Right.
I wish I could change to
On its own. The number 1.
Yes, I got it. Yes. I have number 1 too. No. No.
1 and 2. 12.
12.
12.
1, 2.
1 and 2, the number 12.
Woo!
Well, quickly hurry up with the counter. I won't wait forever.
I have it too. I did it.
On its own, the number 3.
Oh, man. Nope. Oh. Damn.
On its own, the number 4.
No. No. We're not.
1 or 10.
I don't have 10. I have 10. I don't have
1 and 4. 14.
Oh, yeah! Yeah.
All the legs 11.
11. I don't have 11. I don't have 11. I'm looking at my other one.
1 and 6. 16.
Yes. No. I've got a few more to do.
On its own, the number 2.
I have number line. One
You've only just missed that line, haven't you? It's number 7, right?
I have 3 more count. I have 3 counters. One.
Right.
I have 4 numbers. I've got 4.
On its own, the number 9.
No! Yes! Oh, I was about to say 2 lines by Dawn. No.
1 and 8.
No.
18.
No. No. 8. I need 8.
1 and 9.
1,
19.
No.
Henry, 1 and 9.
1, I
At the top alone, a 1 and a 9. 19. There you go. Put a counter on. You tricked me.
Just say something.
On its own, the number 8.
2 lines.
You've got 2 lines. Well done, William.
2 lines.
Well, you need to put your counter on, darling.
1 line.
No, number 8 I've just done. So put your counter on number 8. So you and William have both got 2 lines together. Well done, you two.
No.
The first number.
It's probably
1 and 7, 17.
okay. No. We're all gone.
2 more, 20.
Damn. Let your thing. She's already done it. How does she keep on doing it?
1 and 5,
15.
15.
This is why I want that board. Thank you. I need it. Can we switch boards? No, you don't.
On the next one. On its own, the number 5. Well done. Put your counter on.
I'm doing really bad.
1 and 3,
No.
13.
No. Yeah. No. This is annoying.
1 and 9, 19.
Okay.
1 and 9, 19.
Daddy! Yay! Oh, 19. You've missed it, Matilda. You're out.
Sorry, she's caught up.
14.
1 and 4,
14.
14.
Alright, I don't care. Daddy!
What have you got, Henrietta?
Daddy!
You've got a...
Tura!
You've got 1 line.
1 line.
Henry's got the first line.
So cute.
He is cute, isn't he?
Or not. 9.
On its own, the number 9.
Yes. 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 Only 1 line. Hit the point.
On its own, the number 8.
1 line. Just
Tilly, how many lines have you got?
2.
Tilly's claiming 2 lines. Well done,
I
Matilda.
only have 1 more. I need 1 more.
1 and 2, the number 12.
We need 1 more. I need 2 more.
12, Matilda. You need to be watching your numbers. 1 and 2, the number 12. Where's 12 on your board? 1 and 2, the number 12. Henry, I've already done number 8, darling. Just put your counter down.
I need 1 more counter. 1 more. You're joking.
1 or 10. Have you won that one, Henry? Well done.
Okay.
1 and 6, 16. 1 and 6, 16.
Mummy.
Not you this time.
So done.
On its own, the number 3.
I think I've got 1 again.
We'll put a counter on then, babes.
Number 3. I 13.
1 and 8, 18.
8.
1 and 8, 18.
18. Yay.
Well, put it down if you've got it. What's Henry got now?
Okay.
What have you got?
1.
1 line. Well done. Good lad.
Well done.
Right, next one is number 1 and 7, 17.
Oh, that, I was so close to one line.
Yeah, but you're so close to 2 lines now.
7! Oh, I'm
17, yeah.
close to 2 lines now.
2 or 20.
Okay.
20.
20. I've not got a full house. I don't have 20.
On its own, the number 9.
I should have already been this. No, not. Because you're so extra bored. I'm joking.
1 and 4, 14.
I'm not. I'm about to lose.
Oh, never mind. 1 and 5, 15.
Yes! Two lines.
Right, oh, it's going to be close.
2 lines.
1 and 2, the number 12.
Oh, we've all lost that one.
1 and 3,
House!
30.
House!
You and Henry both won that one. Well done, you two.
That's the win statue.
13. And there was only one number left, Tilly.